Okay, I want to show us how to link the Facebook page to Instagram. What you have to do is you just go to this page, you click on it, you select any of the pages. These are some of the pages I have. So I just created this. Let me click on it. So I go to the settings, then I scroll down. This is Instagram. I click on Instagram and it's loading. So I come here and I click on connect account. Let's watch and see what happens. So continue as I am Kobed. This is my Instagram um, page. I click on it. What happens? Done. So it has the this thing is set up. My account on Instagram has been linked, so you can check me on Instagram. I am Kobed, and this is my YouTube channel. You can click on it and watch some of my free training videos, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. This is my phone number. You can reach me. This is the email address. So that is how to link your Facebook page to the Instagram. Okay, next we'll look at how to create Facebook ads. So how do you create your ad? What you do is you either click on this create and come to this ad and click on it, or you click on this, come to manage ads. So there's another way you can also do it. You can either type um, Facebook ad manager. So any ways is acceptable, but let's just go straight using create. You click on this, you come here, you click on it. What happens? Yes, we've gotten to the Facebook ad manager. So you are now what you're seeing now is the ad manager page. So in this page you have is divided into three. You have the campaign, you have the ad set, you have the ad itself. So each of these has their various steps. You have the objective, you have under the ad set, you have audience, placement, budget and schedule. Under the ad you have format, media, and additional creative, so all those stuff. So now let's look at the objective. What is our objective? That is here. Let's click on it, and Facebook has made it easy for us. What is your objective in it? The objective is like your marketing objective, and that is why when you want to make an ad for someone, you ask the person, the person's campaign objective or marketing objective. Okay, awareness here is useful for someone that has a new brand that wants to create an awareness. You come here, you click on it as your objective. When you come to conversion, you it's used to direct your clients directly to your business to make your sales. So in this other aspect consideration, you have traffic, engagement, install, video, lead generation, messages. Okay, I would explain this aspect one after the other so that you understand how to the preferred option to choose at any point in time. Before we get into it, I want you to understand that every um, Facebook ad manager has ad account. As you can see, this is the ad account for this particular Facebook um, ad I'm creating. Okay, so it has a name and it has a number, just the way every bank does. You have a name and you have the account number, so that is where uh, account payments are being made. And so you when you come to this point, you click on it, you have the some options: your ad manager, your billing, your ad account setting, your business setting, audience, and event manager, and so on. So this billing is where you make your payment, then this ad account settings is where you make your adjustment, your account adjustment. Okay, so that is that on it. So we go back to what we've been saying before, which is the marketing objective. So I take the first one, which is traffic. Traffic is very nice for those that you want you want much people. You need much people, you know, to understand your brand or to know more about you. Okay, and like and all those stuff. So traffic is very very okay for you to make use of. Engagement is when you want people to do something to your page, like share, comment, like, or follow. Okay, you make use of that. Then app install is useful for you know someone that just developed a new app and you want people to install it. Video views has to do with people viewing your videos. Okay, you make use of that option. Lead generation, when you want people to get when you want to generate people's number, email, and other stuff. Okay, that's this particular one is useful. The messages, when you want people to get back to you through messages. So these are the considerations you can choose. Conversion is for when you want clients, when you want to just have your business straight with your clients. It's good for those that are into online business, so you make use of any of it, and you, you do your online transactions without any much stress. So that is that on the first aspect, which is the campaign. So we'll go to the next uh, aspect. So the next stage is for you to make your selection. For instance, let's select messages. What happens Okay, you come down, you click on continue. You've selected it, so it now takes us to this second phase, which is the ad set. So you can type a name for your ad. Okay, then for the destination, you choose any landing page you want. Is it the on your WhatsApp or directly on your Instagram or on your Messenger? Either of them you choose. If you have to choose WhatsApp, you can either select a page, you know, scroll, you check some the page you want, to select, and you input the phone number that people will reach back to you. Okay, or you go directly, you click on your Instagram. Okay, if you've linked it up as I initially explained at the beginning of this um, training. Okay, so that is that on destination. The importance of destination is that it makes it directs people to the exact place you want them to get to. Okay, then you come to your audience, which is the next one. You come to the audience. This one is the audience. See, so I would want you to, when you come to this location, you have to be very, very strategic in your location. Don't just leave it at Nigeria like that. You have to ask yourself certain questions. What is my target audience, and how do I get across to them? There are places where people may not make use of internet or mobile phone or all those stuff, so remember that you are running an ad and your money is involved, so you have to be very, very strategic in selecting your location. So the best thing you can do is you can just narrow it down to states. Maybe you can pick, you come here, you can just you click on it, you click on it, you can now check, browse. Okay, regions, you can choose. Okay, for instance, you can just choose Lagos. Okay, you can select Lagos. Okay, you can also select Port Harcourt. Can also select Port Harcourt. Where is it? Which of the Port Harcourt are we saying? We need Port Harcourt as a state. Port Harcourt. Okay, so we've selected Port Harcourt. Then you can also choose Abuja. Okay, and while you're selecting all this, are you seeing your results? Your result is here. You are to get from 5.5k to 16k reach. Okay, depending on the amount you use for your ad. Okay, so you can still add some other regions if you want. Then when you're done, you come to the age. what is the age bracket? It depends on the business you are doing. There are certain business that involves only the youth. There are certain business you engage on that involves different age. It depends on your motive. It depends on your motive. So you have to be strategic, okay, in the age bracket you want to select. For instance, if you are into real estate, you don't select the age bracket of 18 to 22. It doesn't make sense. Okay, we look for the age bracket that has made that money, that can pay the money you need, okay, that can patronize your business. So when you come to gender, it depends on what you are doing. Do you want to target only male, men or women, male or female, anyone, or do you want all? So it's left for you. Okay, so this detailed targeting, please never you select this detailed targeting, leave it as it is off. Okay, because there are some details that are necessary, but people may not put it on their Facebook wall. So when you now select those information, and remember that Facebook runs on data, when you select those information, it just goes straight and select the few that has already input such information, and you find out that you've messed up your target. So the best thing is just for you to just leave it like that. Okay, so you come to the next one. All this stuff, these ones are not there. Okay, you can edit if you want, so but don't touch this, like I said earlier. Okay, so your placement, you do you want an automatic placement or the manual placement? So either you choose automatic placement or the manual placement. If you want it, you can select any of it, anywhere you want your placement to be. Okay, but it's advisable that you run your Instagram ad on Instagram and your Facebook ad on Facebook. Okay, so you can select anywhere, anyone you want. Okay, then um, that is that. So we are done with the placement. Let's go to budget and schedule. I want you to understand something in this budget and schedule. You make sure that you select the budget that is good. The best budget that is good for an ad is at least three. The least number of days should be 3 days, and the best maximum number of days should be 5 days. Because after 5 days, from experience, the same set of people will still add when you promote it. So it's good you either use 3 or 5 days, and if you are to use 5 days, at least you budget like 10,000 naira. The higher the amount, the higher the reach. The higher the amount, the higher the reach, and it depends on the kind of business you are into. Okay, the kind of business you are into also determines the kind of budget you make. Okay, so don't low budget leads to low reach, which is not good for you. In the end, you just end up wasting your money. So another aspect is that never you click on this run my ad set continuously starting today, because if you have money in your ad account, automatically Facebook will keep deducting it on and on, and that's why many people fall into trouble. So what you do is you click on set a time and date, okay, and while setting it, you you become very careful about it. Remember, minimum 3 days, maximum 5 days. Okay, you can start, for instance, June 9 2020 to maybe after 3 days, maybe say June 11 or so, or June 13 14, within that 5 days. Okay, so it will now show you the amount. Okay, for instance, let's say June to to July, what, July, say 11, July 11th of July, and okay, let's make it 12th of July. Okay, so for 3 days, so this is what it's showing you. Okay, and this is the amount, although it's in dollars. This one is in dollars. You can do the exchange rate and know the equivalent in Nigerian currency. Okay, but remember, never you click on run my ad set continuously. So the implication of this thing is that immediately it's 12th of July, the ad stops. Okay, then when you're done with it, you click on continue. It takes you to the third phase, which is this aspect where entering into. Okay, so under identity, you choose where the ads will be run. Let me choose this one. Okay, I've chosen this one, and now the next question is, or the next stage is the format. Okay, now what format do I want? Is it scrollable image or videos, or single image or video? So anyone you want, either this or that. So if I'm to select this, definitely I'm going to choose under media. I'm going to choose what I want to do. Okay, either I add media. When I click on this, either I add image or I add the video. Okay, whatever I click, it takes you to where you can get your video or your image. Okay, or you can create video yourself. Okay, so that is that on it. Let's work on it and see. So for instance, let's select this, continue. Let's just select this. I click on continue. Okay, so I've selected it. Are you seeing it's gonna load? Okay, I've selected that image, and so it's telling me the image size is small for Instagram. Images must be at least 500 by 262 pixels. So remove image. So meaning that I need to edit the image. So although this is just an example, when you are uploading, try and upload the required size of image you want. So having done that, you continue. Okay, you can then type your text. Okay, let's go back to it so that you understand, because i I want to show you something. Change image. Let me choose this image and see what happens. Okay, okay, this image is okay. So I can type something like do you love chairs? Do you love chairs? I don't know the spelling of chairs, please. Is it, am I correct? Okay, so are you seeing it? The preview, are you seeing the preview, how it will look like? So when I'm done with that, I can now click on confirm. But because I'm not running an ad now, I can't click on this confirm, but I'll show you where in the end we are going to get to. So if you look at these three stages, you find out that everything is ticked, 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 ticked. That is, the ad is okay. Okay, so now where are we going to add? But don't forget that you can still go back to any stage you want. You can click any of this and go back to any stage you want and edit anything you want. So when you click confirm, so like I said earlier, this is where it's gonna show me this is where I'm supposed to land. Okay, this is where I'm supposed to land here. Okay, so that is that on running an ad. So these are the necessary information you need to understand: your reach, your impression, your cost per result, and the amount. Okay, the reach, the number of people that it has gotten to, the impression, how many times have people seen it. Okay, then what is the cost per result, and how much did you spend in the end. Okay, so even while you are highlighting on each of these, you see the information here. If you highlight on this, you see the necessary information. So it will help you to know how to run an ad. Okay, so that is how to run your ad. Okay, so far I want you to understand that ad is very necessary for promotion. You need to run a good ad for to promote your business and make sales and all those stuff. Okay, or reach out to your target audience. Okay, in trying to solve any problem. Then the next aspect we are going to look at is how to run an ad with Instagram. Okay, now we've done it with Facebook. and I know that the stages and everything, the procedures were okay. I remain Daniel Omwenyi, and I want you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Try and watch other videos that may be helpful to you and to those around you. I have other videos, um, Microsoft packages, graphic design. You really need to know more about the graphic design because it will help you. Instead of you wasting your money on paying graphic designer, you can design things, quality pictures yourself. So other videos that you can just go to my YouTube channel and learn more about any area of interest you really want. So don't forget to subscribe and watch out for the next video on Instagram, how to create Instagram ad. Thank you for watching. Bye.